Hey guys, this is Megha. First of all, thank you all so much for those wonderful messages, and thank you so much for welcoming me back on this channel. Yes, I missed you all too. Even though I was inactive in this channel, I read every single comment of yours. I will be posting more recipes regularly here, so please stay tuned. Now, without wasting time, note down the ingredients for mushroom pepper fry recipe. Here I have taken 250 grams of baby mushrooms. These are very small in size, so I'm going to use it as whole mushrooms. For the batter preparation, into a bowl, I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1.5 teaspoons of cornstarch, 1 to 2 teaspoons of pepper powder, and some salt. Now I'm adding some water gradually and I will mix all these ingredients well to a smooth consistency batter. Make sure you don't have any lumps in the batter and the batter shouldn't be too watery or too thick. We are looking for a medium consistency batter. Now I will add all the mushrooms into the batter and will give these mushrooms a good coat of the batter. Now in here I have my oil heating on a medium heat. So I will go ahead and add these mushrooms into the hot oil one by one. Make sure you're not overcrowding them, just a few at a time so that the mushrooms are well cooked. It's been about 5 minutes. Looks like these mushrooms are cooked well, one side. Now I will flip them over. Now these mushrooms looks like they're fully cooked and also they're looking nice and crispy from outside. I will remove the fried mushrooms from the oil onto a paper towel so that the excess oil can be absorbed. For a pepper fry, curry leaves are very important as they add a lot of flavor to this dish. I have a beautiful curry leaf plant at home, so I am going to pluck few sprigs of curry leaves for my mushroom pepper fry recipe. Here into a mortar, I will be adding a teaspoon of fennel and teaspoon of coriander seeds. This is totally optional, but these ingredients definitely enhances the taste of the dish to the next level. So I will coarsely crush these ingredients and I will use it at the very end. Now into a wok, I'm gonna add few tablespoons of oil, and once the oil is heated, here I have chopped ginger and garlic. I will add 2 teaspoons of ginger and garlic and saute until the raw smell from the ginger and garlic disappears. Just for 30 seconds. Now in here I'm going to add few cut green chilies. I am just adding 2 green chilies here as I have added crushed pepper to the batter as well. Now I will be adding few sprigs of curry leaves and will saute for another 30 to 40 seconds. Here I have taken a medium-sized onion, roughly chopped. So in goes the onion and I will give it a good mix until the onion becomes soft. Adding some salt. Again, go easy on the salt as you will be adding salt to the batter as well. Giving it a good mix again. Now in goes the fried mushrooms, another teaspoon of crushed pepper, and about a teaspoon of crushed fennel and coriander. We'll mix it nicely until all these ingredients are well coated to the mushrooms. Finally, again, this is totally optional. I love the combination of fennel and coconut. Just 1 tablespoon is enough to bring out the flavor, and this will also help the mushrooms to become slightly soft. And that's it. You give it a good mix, and the mushroom pepper fry is ready. I hope you all enjoyed watching this recipe. Please do subscribe to my channel to learn more such recipes from me. And thank you so much for watching my video. I'll see you guys soon. Until then, bye.